I was sitting in the forest and thinking, what if I implement a graphical application with Qt framework and embed Guile Scheme into it? And it turned out that I will have a graphical application with C++ performance that I can interactively modify in runtime using Lisp IDE. So let's see it in action. I will compile and run Qt application, very simple one, a simple widget, label and button under it. But in the terminal, you see that it also starts an REPL server using Guile Ares, and I can actually connect to this REPL server from my Emacs and start evaluating some scheme code. But also, I can call for function setLabelText, and as you can see, it updated inside our graphical application, like this. I can run a loop, which will start updating the label every second. And at the same time, I can press a reset button, which will be resetting text. And it all works. I can interrupt the evaluation of the loop, and as you can see, the label update stopped. I can reset it with a button, or I can reset it by evaluating setLabelText function. Isn't this cute?